Hey, what's up, everybody? Tanvir here. Welcome back to the Adobe XD course. This will be the third video of my tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to use pen and text tool in Adobe XD. So, let's jump into XD. So, here we go. First of all, select the pen tool, or you can type P to select the pen tool. Pen tool basically is a shape tool to create a different kind shape. You can use it freely to create any kind of shape. Like click anywhere to the artboard and start clicking to create a shape like I did. I'm trying to create a mountain shape. It will not perfect, but I'm trying to go through that. Now you can give a fill property here. You can change its color, yeah, something like this, or you can freely use the pen tool to create a different shape like this. So designers, you can use the pen tool to create a different shape, and that's it. Now let's go to the text tool. Now type something here. You can click anywhere to the artboard. Here at the right side in the inspector panel, you can see a few new property options. We can change font or typeface from here, and also change its font weight or style. Also, we have access to the character spacing. If you increase the character spacing, it will create a space between the character or word. And next, we have line spacing and paragraph spacing. To explain this, let, let me create a text box. Simply drag your mouse like this to create a box, and it will create a text box, and type something here. You can see the text wraps up perfectly with the edge of this text area. We can increase the line height or line spacing here by increase or decreasing this amount here. You have to manually type it. If you put 0, you will see a automatic number here. By relating with this font size, it will generate automatically. And here next is a paragraph spacing. So now let's increase the artboard size a little bit, and now create a different text area and type something. Let's decrease the font size a little bit. Yeah. So here you can see two paragraphs. If we increase the paragraph spacing here, it will or increase or decrease the amount of spacing between these two paragraphs. One, it will decrease the spacing, or if you manually type And now we have put 120 manually here, and it just increased the spacing here. So this is the basic uses of paragraph spacing. When you guys create a lot of paragraph or text elements in your design, you can adjust the spacing between paragraphs by using this tool. So now it's 0 and it looks fine. So next we have the text alignment tool here. First is the left align, and now it's center aligned and it's right aligned. So basically you can align your text using this tool. And next is auto width, auto height, and fixed size. Now it's fixed size here. If you select the auto width here, and you can see the control here, if you drag your mouse here, you can see it will automatically increase the width of the text with the text area. And if you select the auto height, it will automatically increase the height of the full text. Like if we select this fixed size, if we drag any of the control and press it, you can see the full text are not showing up here. But if we select this auto height property here, and it will automatically increase its height to show you the full text element here. So this is the basic uses of these three tools. And next here, this is the uppercase property. Let's side it up here a little bit. And here this is the uppercase tool, and next is lowercase, and next is title case, and next is superscript and subscript. To show you this, select the type tool, and here select this up here and select the superscript. To show you, let's change its fill color here. Yeah, here you can see the superscript effect here. Now select the up text here again and select the subscript, and you can see the subscript effect here. Now let's undo it. So the next is the underline tool. If you select this one, it will create a underline to the text, and if you select the strike through, it will cut down the text, or it will create a inner line like a delete or cut effect in the text. So this is the basic uses of this 7 property here. And next is the appearance and effects tool here. We have used it before, and basically today we have learned about this text tool and text property here. So that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then press the like button, and also let me know your thoughts in comments below. I'll get back to you soon guys with a new video again. Meanwhile, you guys stay focused and keep learning.